Don't blink. Let me show you the power of science. Place a cup in front of the little girl and pour clean water into it. You will notice that the girl magically turns around. This is the principle of light refraction. Throw a peeled orange into the water and it slowly sinks to the bottom. But when you put an unpeeled orange into the water, it floats on the surface. This shows how important a life jacket is. A piece of A4 paper can easily burn. Wrap the paper around a glass cup and place it back over the flame. Even though the paper turns black, it does not burn. This is heat conduction. Pour some alcohol onto sand, then sprinkle a mixture of sugar and baking soda. Light it, and you will see a long black snake emerge from the ground. This is the famous Pharaoh's snake experiment. Put the water-absorbing polymer from a diaper into a cup, then add clean water. The resin quickly expands and turns into a gel. You have made a big cup of artificial snow and can now make a snowman at home. Pour milk into a plate, add different colors of paint, then pour in half a cup of cooking oil. A magical scene appears. Do you want to see the happy planet? Dip your finger in water and rub the rim of a cup continuously. Look closely. The toothpick on the nearby cup suddenly falls down. This is resonance. Hold one end of a chain and throw it out, and the chain will rise into the air. This is the chain fountain effect. Pass a wire through 2 candles and place it over a glass cup. Light both ends, and the wire starts playing seesaw by itself. Pour white vinegar into a cup and soak an egg in it overnight. Take the egg out and gently brush the surface. You get a soft, elastic egg. It even looks like a glowing pearl. Rub garlic in a circle on the bottom of a pan, and the fried egg comes out perfectly round. Dip your finger in garlic juice and you can lift the egg yolk without breaking it. This is intermolecular force. Take out the refill from a ballpoint pen, remove the tip, and smear the ink on a lighter's flame outlet. You will see a mysterious floating ghost flame. A floating card normally cannot support weight, but once you fill the cup with water, the card becomes very strong. This is water tension. Place vitamin B2 on white paper and crush it into powder with a hammer. Put a cup of water on a lamp and sprinkle the powder into the water. Turn off the lights and you will see a dreamy fluorescent rain slowly falling. Hit an empty bottle and it won't break. Add water, tap it lightly, and the bottle instantly shatters. This is the famous water hammer effect. A straw cannot easily pierce a potato, but if you block the top of the straw with your finger and push quickly, the potato gets pierced. This is the power of atmospheric pressure. Put a piece of paper into a cup, turn it upside down into water, wait a few seconds, and take it out. The paper stays dry. This is atmospheric pressure again. Place a gold bracelet on an electronic scale, then secretly move a magnet under the scale. The gold becomes heavier. This reveals the truth behind the ghost scale. Stick tape on the surface of a water-filled balloon. Pierce the center and the flowing water looks frozen. This is laminar flow. A toothpick cannot stand on an egg. Wet the toothpicks with water, let them stick together, and they can stand on the egg. This is the power of unity. Bend toothpicks and arrange 5 of them as shown. Drop some water in the center, and they slowly form a beautiful star. This is surface tension of water. An empty soda can cannot stand when tilted, but add 1/3 water and it becomes a roly-poly toy. Pour different amounts of water into 3 cups. How do you evenly distribute it into a 4th cup? Simply place a bent straw filled with water between the cups, and the water automatically balances itself. This is the siphon principle. Stir starch into water, and it becomes cloudy. Put in a slice of apple and stir continuously, and the water becomes clear again. This is a reduction reaction. Punching a hole in a cup breaks it, but placing it in water allows you to punch a perfect hole easily. This is water's buffering force. Rub a steel needle on a magnet, place it on paper floating on water, and the magnetic needle slowly turns until it points north and south, creating a floating compass. Place 2 bottle caps on a magnet, cover them with a plastic board, spin a top, then slowly remove the board. The top floats and spins in the midair. This is magnetic levitation. Instead of just talking about science, it's better to let children experience it themselves.